everybody, this is Sarah coming from the Saginaw Children's Zoo, and we're going to talk about another curious creature today, the white-throated mud turtle. So this is our white-throated mud turtle. His name is Ox. He's definitely one of our more shy animals at the Saginaw Children's Zoo, but he does tend to come out of his shell for his favorite snacks. He really likes little fish or other kinds of invertebrates that he really likes, like little bugs. In the wild, of course, these guys are found in Central and Northern South America in freshwater systems. A lot of the freshwater systems that they live in have a lot of vegetation, or also even one of the more fun areas where they live are mangrove forests. Mangrove forests that specifically go through very dry and very wet seasons. They are opportunistic omnivores. So what that means, omnivores, of course, they eat plant material and also animal material. I did say that his favorite snack was a fish and other bugs, but they do eat plant material as well. So like algae, aquatic vegetation, other vegetation that's on land. Really, if it doesn't run away and it can fit in his mouth, he's gonna like to eat it. So these guys eat a whole bunch of different things in their environment. They get their name from how they are able to dig themselves into the mud during those dry seasons in the mangrove forests. And they're also a little bit more of a land turtle. So if you look at his shell right here, you will notice that it is a little bit more raised. And also too, if he were to take his feet out, like I said, he's shy right now, but his web feet are not as strong as some more aquatic turtles or turtles that would spend more time in water. So they do spend quite a bit of time on land. But also something that's really cool about this guy is they have a hinge on their shell. So if we're talking about turtle anatomy, the top shell here is called the carapace, and the bottom portion is called the plastron. If you look on his plastron, he has this little section of it. And not all turtles are made the same, so not all turtles have this. This gives him extra protection. So when he hides, he's able to kind of pull in that part of the shell and hide his body a little bit more. And it also helps when he buries himself to be able to make sure that he is a little bit more hidden. Now, these guys are not actually found on the endangered list, which means that their populations are doing okay. Scientists don't feel like they need to do any kind of research in that way, but their habitats are suffering. So freshwater systems around the world have issues with the habitat destruction, too much pollution in the area, and also overdevelopment in human areas. So it's really important for us to conserve those areas, conserve water, try not to litter, try not to overuse a lot of pollutants that go into the environment, and just be a little bit cautious. These guys are also too another animal that you'll find in illegal pet trees. Not as often as some other animals, but it's really, again, important, even if an animal is of least concern, to enjoy them in the wild and make sure they stay wild. So thank you so much from Ox and myself. He is going to be one of the animals that's going to be in our new Wild and Nature building coming up this next year, which we're super excited about. So thank you everybody for watching, and stay wild out there.